This is Attorney Marjorie Bonelli, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to prioritize your children's needs during the process of divorce. This is based on what I see in the office every day. The most important thing that I would say is to communicate with your children. And if you have trouble communicating, or if you don't know how to address it because they might be too young to understand what's going on, hire the services of a professional, either a social worker, a therapist, or psychologist, so they can assist you in that communication. A lot of children unfortunately internalize and they feel that the divorce is somehow their fault. So it's very important to communicate with them. Another thing that I also notice that sometimes is lacking is a routine, just a set schedule, bedtime, meal time, playtime, everything being organized in a way that both parents can follow so that the child doesn't feel a huge change in environment when they change houses during time sharing or visitation. That's very important. So, if one house is very organized and the other one is chaotic, that's definitely gonna affect the well-being of that child. And I think the most important of them all is really to have the mental and emotional intelligence and capacity, even during conflict, to show the children that you still respect each other even though you're not together anymore. So that that child doesn't grow up, thinking that relationships between couples is a disaster and they develop some sort of trauma. So that's extremely important. Don't use your child or children as messengers between each other, and don't badmouth each other in front of the child. Don't have arguments and don't get the children involved in those arguments. But those are the most important things that I see in my office. If you need anything else, all my information is up in the bio.